A green light is incident from water to the air-water interface at the critical angle theta. Select the correct statement. Now the statement given to us is the spectrum of visible light whose frequency is less than that of green light will come out to the air medium. That is option A. The spectrum of visible light whose frequency is more than that of green light will come out to the air medium. That is option B. Entire spectrum of visible light will come out to the water at various angles to the normal. That is option C. The entire spectrum of visible light will come out to the water at an angle of 90 degree to the normal. That is option D. Now to get the correct option, to conclude this given situation, we have to understand some fact. First of all, when a light travels from a dense medium like water to the air, the critical angle and refractive index of the medium are related by this formula: sin theta c is equal to 1 by mu, where mu is the refractive index of the denser medium, that is water in this case. Refractive index is inversely related to wavelength. So we can also write this as sin theta c would be related to lambda directly. And since the options are given to us in terms of frequency, wavelength and frequency are again inversely related. So this is something which we get initially. Now, as far as different colors are concerned, the fact regarding the colors is also important. We know a very famous term, that is VIBGYOR. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. As we travel towards the red part, we are traveling towards what is larger wavelength, or we can say smaller frequency. And similarly, when we travel towards the violet part, we can say we have traveled towards smaller wavelength or larger frequency. We very well see one important relation between wavelength and critical angle. That critical angle is directly related to the wavelength. It is quite obvious in this case that we can conclude that for red color, orange color and yellow color, critical angle will be larger than the green color, and for violet, indigo and blue, critical angle will be smaller than that for the green color. So now let us try to analyze the situation. We have shown the different colors of the white light incident at same angle at air-water interface. For conveniency, let us assume that this angle of incidence of each color is 45 degree. According to the problem, this 45 degree is the critical angle for the green color, and hence green color will travel parallel to the boundary separating the medium. We also know that for yellow color, orange color and red color, the critical angle values are going to be larger because they are dependent on wavelength. Red has the largest wavelength, so it will be obviously having a larger value of critical angle. Let us say that critical angle for yellow color is 50 degree that for orange color is 55 degree, and that for red color it is 60 degree. On same ground we can write for blue color, let us say it is 40 degree, for indigo color let us say it is 35 degree, and for violet color the critical angle let us say that it is equal to 30 degree. So these are all the critical angles. But angle of incidence for each color, this is 45 degree. Indigo also is at 45 degree. Likewise, the red color is also incident at 45 degree. We know this fact very clearly, that if the light is incident at an angle greater than critical angle, then it would suffer total internal reflection. We are seeing that violet, indigo and blue, they all are incident at 45 degree, which is greater than the critical angle for this color. So these colors are going to suffer total internal reflection. So these colors will suffer what is known as total internal reflection, whereas these colors are not going to suffer total internal reflection. They are going to come out in the air medium. Now the options are given to us in terms of frequency. So we can say that lower frequency color will come out in air, and larger frequency color will suffer total internal reflection. So we can now see that over here, if we are to decide, then we can say that option A satisfies the condition, because it is saying spectrum of visible light whose frequency is less than that of green light will come out to the air medium. All other options are ruled out on that ground.